It's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, automatic suspension management, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, power tilting steering column, memory head restraint settings, and memory exterior door mirror settings. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. To get the best, get a Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,